Hey everybody, we're up in our attic. This radiant barrier project came out awesome. Mary's in the corner filming. Say hi, Mary.
Hi, Mary.
We've got a truss bay here and it runs up through, and the cooler air from the attic starts down below and it goes between the roof deck and the attic barrier. There's about 3.5-inch gap. It runs right up through, all the way up through to the top. It exhausts out the roof, and in our case, it gets sucked out any of these 4 attic vents. But wait a minute. If you noticed, there are obstructions in this truss bay. Here's one right here. The roofers on these 4 bays anyway, they have 2x4s that they've put in. So how are we going to work the radiant barrier project without stopping the flow of hot air? Well, the solution is pretty simple, and it's right in front of us here. What we did is we kept the foil barrier back about 1.5 inches from each side of the obstruction. Now, in this 3.5-inch space here that we have between the radiant barrier and the roof deck, the hot air comes up, it comes out here. Some of it will come underneath the rest of the barrier and get sucked out by the vent. Some of it will come up and go inside and travel with the rest of the hot air, and like a fish ladder, it'll whoop, 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 go right up through and eventually get sucked out by the vent. So this is how you handle obstructions in your project. For full details on how we did our radiant barrier project in our attic, please check the link below. If you like this material, please consider liking, subscribing, and definitely sharing with your neighbors. You can also hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another video.